Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this look right here. I created this entire look using Kylie Cosmetics birthday collection. I am obsessed with this collection. She knocked it out of the park. Every single product I used today was unbelievably good. This look was inspired by a look that I saw on Kylie herself. Ariel did this makeup look on her and I was super obsessed with it. I tried to recreate it, but I don't think it's exactly the same, but either way, I'm gonna be linking down in the description box the link to the picture that inspired this look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So this is the palette that came with the collection, and this palette is bomb AF. Let me just open it up for you guys. So the palette is called Sipping Pretty, and just take a moment to look at these colors. Just look at how gorgeous this palette is. Like, it literally has so many color options. I'm just gonna be going into the shade Close the Tab, and I'm just taking a large blending brush. I'm just gonna be first applying this on the crease and then blending it out towards the outer V, just making like a transition smoked out shade. This is blending really nicely, and I don't really see any fallout as of yet. It is very early to speak on fallout, but let's see how this goes. So I don't even gotta spend 20 minutes blending this out. This is pretty much blended as it is. Go on the lower lash line just to create that smoked out look. Next, I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm going to be going into the shade Mimosa. I'm going to be taking this color in the same spots, but I'm just not going to blend it out as much as I did that first shade. I'm going to keep it a little bit more concentrated on the crease. These eyeshadows are so pigmented, guys, and they're blending super easily. Now I'm just taking that first blending brush without adding any product, and I'm just going to run that on the crease and outer V just to make sure that these two colors are blending in together. Now I'm gonna go back in with that small blending brush and just run that on the lower lash line. So now to add some drama onto this look, I'm gonna be going in with Born to Sparkle Liquid Eyeshadow. And I'm just literally gonna be applying this onto the lid. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. Guys, look at this. I am gonna be going higher than my natural lid just to make this show, because my lid is so tiny, you're not even gonna be able to see this. So I'm gonna stop about halfway into the outer V, just because I still want that outer V to be very smoked out. Let's take a moment for this liquid eyeshadow. Now I'm just gonna go back in with that blending brush without adding any product, and I'm just going to tap on the edge of this glitter shadow just to blend those two together. I cannot get over how pretty this eyeshadow is, and it's drying really quickly, so you guys do have to work with it pretty fast. So now it's just time to highlight the inner corners of the eyes and the brow bone, because this lid is perfection right now. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone, I'm just going to be going into the shade Martini Mama, and I'm taking a pencil brush. Oh my god, the pigment. The really good thing about these eyeshadows is that they are blending so easily. Like, I'm not really struggling with them. They are giving me a little bit of fallout, but for pigment and nice to blend, I'll take the fallout. So I quickly went off camera and did my lashes and some liner. Now let's move on to highlight. For that, I'm gonna be using Champagne Showers. Oh my god, this highlight. This highlighter is everything. I'm just applying a little bit of that all over, literally. To line my lips, I'm just taking the lip liner in the shade 21. Oh my god, this pink is so gorgeous. I'm gonna be going in and toning this color down. It's a little bit too pink for what I want to go for right now, so I'm just going to be taking one of these that came in these are like mini lipsticks. I'm just gonna be taking, let's see, this one's in the shade Queen, and can we just take a moment to appreciate how cute these are? smells so good. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope you guys like this look. I'm obsessed with it. I was obsessed ever since I saw that picture of Kylie. I wanted to recreate something a little bit like it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Also comment below and let me know what looks you guys are interested in seeing next, and I'll see you guys on my next video.